Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a chair, a wooden chair. But let's give ourselves a bit of a head start, and we're going to draw like a diamond in pencil that we can rub out later. It just gives us an idea of where the seat is going to be. That's like the top of the seat. So I'm going to start by drawing a line going up there, and a line going up there, and a little curve there. Let's do the same about here, and the same there and around like that. And then we're going to want to have the back of the chair, join those, and they might sort of have a little kind of a wobble like that there. And then we're going to want to have the spindles at the back like that. So those are quite close together. And then we can draw lines in between, and that is the back of the chair. So let's come around here, and then what we're going to do, we need the depth of this wooden seat. So it's going to come down a little bit, and that will come around like that and up to the back. And we want to have sort of a bit of shape in this chair, so that's going to come up there, and that will come around like that. So this is sort of carved out for your backside to sit in. And let's come down a little bit there, and we're going to do a little bit of kind of fanciness. Come down a bit of fanciness, and down. Then we'll want to draw kind of a cross at the front, and we'll draw similar again, down a little bit. So we're coming at a splayed angle with that little bit there, and then that's going to come down a little bit to about there. So we want that to come in there, and that's coming down and around about there. And then we want that other little bit of leg at the front. And then we're going to want to have the chair coming down at the back. I'm going to give these sort of square bits there now, and those are going to come across on the side. And we're going to see a bit of that other side back leg like that, and we're going to want to see that one going across there, and maybe another one going across there too. And there you go. Let's put a little line at the back there. There you go. How to draw a chair real easy. That's quite complicated. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you again next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.